Oh, it's fucked. How the fuck you wanna get down?
You get to the very top.
Artemis just texted me. She's like, I'm so glad you're helping me on Thursday. I'm like, fuck. I don't want it.
Cool. Where are you going once you get to the top? Oh, now where are you going to go? Oh. Uh-oh, now it's like, where am I going to go? Just like when you go rock climbing and you get to the top.
Shit.
It's probably so scared.
They're on the road.
I should grab it.
No, leave it.
What's it going to do? It's like... Yeah, it's a bird that can't fly. Look at it. It wants to like get to the top, but there is no top. Oh my god. I don't think it likes me. Oh. Hello. Oh. Look at it. It's going vertical. I wonder if it's gonna. I'm kind of interested to see what it's gonna do. No, don't shake it. Oh my god.
Tornado.
You're fucked.
Oh no, I think it's stuck.
Just grab it.
I don't know. I don't really want to grab it. It doesn't like me.
Oh, no, leave it.
What if it just tries to take flight? I think that's what it's gonna do. It'll try and fly at me. Come on, make your move, birds.
I think it's stuck.
Josh, you should grab it. Oh.
Jesus, fuck.
Look, it wants to get down.
Oh.
Grab it. Yeah, that wasn't a smart idea now, was it?
It's gonna fly at you. You try to grab it.
Oh. Oh, it's very upset. Come on. Don't come here. Wanna come here? Oh. I'm trying to help it. I'll feel so bad if this bird falls and breaks something.
It won't. Just grab it.
Come on and tell me.
What's that have to do with it?
I don't know how to work birds.
Oh, there you go. Now you're back in the better position.
Are you gonna come down or what?
Here, come on. Come on.
I'll grab it.
The bird was...
Oh, it takes flight.
Holy jeez!
Where'd it fly to?
See, it didn't want to be picked up by anyone. It's trying to get outside.
That's a door. Fuck yeah.
That's funny.